And so call it a midlife crisis, call it too much of an obsession with Super Mario Brothers. But we're going to try this analogy out today. So this actually started from, there's this really interesting read out there about groundwater modeling by Jeremy White, I think out of the southern US, about forecast first. So normally what happens in modeling is you've got a client, say, okay, we want a groundwater model. Okay, you do a whole bunch of modeling, do a whole bunch of history matching. You make sure that you can recreate previous conditions. And once you've created this model, it often takes a lot of time. Then you start talking about, okay, what can we use it for? And Jeremy argues that this is a little bit backwards, that depending on the needs, you should really have these upfront conversations that, what's the most important metric at the site? Is it stability? Is it fence lines? So arrival of, if the plume's mobile, it arrives at some critical receptor, or do we have multiple sites that we just want to be able to, triage, to be able to send consultants out to sample? We can't sample all of our sites. We just need a couple. So there's going to be a different objective depending on the site. So that conversation should really happen first before any modeling even gets started. If you need a mushroom, but you've built a flower, then that's not going to be helpful. And then hopefully by the end, you'll be convinced that any groundwater model should really incorporate soil modeling as well.